gosh.
Lean on back.
So crazy to see.
Do you like it?
Every day brings new life when I'm by your side. When I'm by your side. You will never fail me. You will never fail me.
Hey, what are we doing?
Today I'm about to go get lip fillers.
Yes.
And you're gonna stay here
What too?
with Grandma and Dad. And my cute friend Tay's coming with. So we're driving to the Image Center. Taylor's driving. To get fillers. I was gonna get my nose done. Nose fillers. I don't know. I'm still probably gonna ask her about it, but I don't think I'm gonna do it today. I'll see what her opinions are on it. But I'm for sure getting a lip filler, and I'm still really nervous about it. I think Trey's really nervous about it. He like, I don't know. I think he's nervous. Like he thinks it's gonna look bad.
It's not. It's not gonna be anything dramatic. This is my second time. I got lip filler a year ago, and it usually fades.
It's been a whole year.
It's been 10 months.
Okay. So you like basically No.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Sorry. Oh my gosh, I'm the worst.
Today they're gonna look pretty swollen, and they're gonna look more swollen tomorrow. I want to say they got more swollen the second day, maybe the third day, but then they slowly started to go down. But the thing that sucks is that you'll kind of get bruising around.
I don't know.
And that's the part
I bruise
that sucks.
easily, so I feel like
Yeah, and that's the part that sucks the most, I think, because it's like pretty noticeable.
Right.
But it's easy, and it doesn't look like, it's not, like if you never told Trey, like it would take him like a little bit to notice.
Okay, so I don't know when it cut off last time, but basically we're here now. My battery's about to die, so I'm probably gonna have to switch to my phone right now. And I guess I'll just film as much as I can. Do you like your mommy shirt? You do? Miley J Boutique, huh? You look so cute. I love it. Aiden, say hi.
Okay, so let's first talk about my nose. Okay. Like, my biggest concern is that my nose is like wide, like it's big. So I'm like, am I just gonna like my nose even less?
I mean, I don't think your nose is bad. I really don't. I do think a little bit of filler here would help, but you're right when you say that surgical rhinoplasty may serve you better in what the needs are, because I feel like this is more so the issue.
Yeah.
And the thing about this is that we're not making the nose any thinner.
Right.
You know,
Or like
we're
that's
just
my
kind of like
biggest issue. So I'd like that to be smoother, but I'm like, I think even more than that, it's like I want the tip to be smaller. This like circle.
I mean, I think you would like the surgical, to be honest. I think you would like the non-surgical too. It's just there's a limitation in what the non-surgical can do. You guys both, I mean, have beautiful faces.
Aww.
Oh, you know what I recommend? Fill it this way. Right?
Oh yeah, are you filling up? Come that way. Okay, you're good.
Because when you fill it that way, it's like that black, like it's like.
I mean, that's good for Instagram.
I'm new to this.
You too. Okay.
Oh, is that mommy?
You're good though.
So is this gonna be your first time?
Be careful.
Yeah, so I have getting fillers on my lips. Yeah.
Your lips are gonna look pretty. Okay. Your lips are pretty to start with.
Don't be nervous.
Yeah, it's not bad. It really isn't. I think you'll like it. Do you know what product or what kind of look you're going for?
Like, well, I know like shape one. Can I have kind of
Not longer.
And there's some here.
Or this one right there.
Oh, right here.
Like,
Aiden, will you
He's looking at himself.
will you give me
I just
the
know
mirror?
like when I line my lips, I kind of like underline like on the outsides and like, or, like
Really?
under,
Okay.
like I like more of the like heart. I'm trying to think. Well, I don't know. What do you think? When you see my lips, what would you do?
Usually, whenever patients they come in, they're like, okay, I want 0.2 here, 0.1 here. I'm like,
I don't know.
Because in reality, a lot of times I always say leave it up to the person that does it the
Me
most
too,
often,
yeah.
you know?
Yeah.
Because I think in the end, that's what gives
You'll get the best
Right.
result.
You
for
know?
sure.
No, 100%. I guess just more general. I don't know if it's even called like a heart shape. I just like instead of more like
I think I know what you
elongated,
want,
I like
though.
more
exactly.
just
Just focus on the center. I think
Right,
I
centered
think I
more.
know what you want. I will be honest though,
If
one
that's not
syringe
gonna
is
look as
small.
Okay.
No, I think
Yeah.
it'll look good. One syringe is much smaller than people think
Right.
it is. A lot of times people come in, they're like, I'm gonna do a half syringe. I don't want to look like a duck. I'm like,
Right.
trust me, even if I wanted
You
to
won't
make you
look
look like a duck, I wouldn't.
Do that
And then,
with
but
one
I can't do it with one syringe. Even if I like
Right.
wanted to like try my absolute hardest to do that, one syringe is small. A lot of times people when they see it immediately after, they're like, ooh, I kind of like it, or ooh, it's gonna take some getting used to. People get used to it fast.
And then it goes down a little
Exactly.
and you're
They're like, where'd it go?
Yeah.
You know, by like day 3, you'll probably really like it. By day 5, you'll still probably like it. By 2 weeks, you'll probably feel like a lot of it went away. And it didn't, it's just you got used to how it looks swollen. So don't be surprised if you end up getting another. I think you'll want another. Lean on back for me, Miley. I would probably recommend Restylane for your lips to give you really good shape and structure. That's what I have in my lips.
Is that's different than
Juvederm?
Juvederm's a little bit more hydrophilic, but it has a higher tendency to migrate, and not only that, but I feel like just Restylane, like for your lips, because they are like on the paler side, your lips need a little bit more structure at the border.
And Restylane lasts longer, doesn't it?
Not necessarily.
Oh, got
so the
it.
duration,
That's what you have, right?
that's what I have. But the duration kind of depends on the patient.
Got it.
Both of them claim to last 6 to 9 months.
Got it.
Okay, perfect. So I will be right back, guys. Miley, if you want to just numb up.
Okay, my lips are numb. Oh, we should put numbing on it.
That's it?
Yeah, you did amazing. That's so funny. That's exactly like Luke.
Oh my gosh.
Lean on back.
So crazy
Do
busy.
you like it?
I do. I mean, I need a little more. That's quick.
It calms down a bit.
I know it'll like. I'm just worried. I'm sure I'm gonna have to be like talking straight down. He's gonna be like, oh my gosh. I'm like all day. I'm like this. It's swollen. Like
Pull up
calm
some
down.
articles. It goes down 7 days. I think mine took about 7
And my
days.
mom. If I get home, my mom's still home. She's gonna be like, oh,
What did you do? I went straight to my dad's house to pick up Aiden after I got mine done, and nobody even noticed. Nobody in the whole house. My dad, my stepmom, my sister. I'm like, hello.
I did tell my mom I
Pay
had this
attention to
appointment
me.
today because she's staying at my house. So I had to tell her like, oh, I'm not gonna be able to drive you to the airport because I have my appointment. And she's like, for what?
I'm sure you'll do a great job. And I'm not gonna.
Just icing the swelling. Feels weird.
You think you're cute or what?
Okay, I feel like Trey's gonna freak out.
Just warn him. You want to sit right here? Okay, come here.
Yeah, I feel like my bottom basically looks like what it looked like before, and it's just my top.
I don't think so.
You think my bottom's bigger too?
Yeah.
Okay.
All around there, it's like sticking out like
I get
pouty, you know?
Yeah, okay. Maybe it's just I'm just used to my bottom lip being bigger than my top lip.
Which
So now it's like they're kind of like even.
Mm-hmm. They look so good.
I'm just anxious to see what Trey's gonna say.
Hi, baby.
Like this. Oh, I can't tell.
What do you mean you can't tell? You can't tell that I did anything? I wasn't expecting that. Jet, what do you think about my lips? You like my lips? Give me kisses. Mwah. Mwah. Naya. I just want you to look at me. Look at me. I look normal? Nothing's different? Okay, so this is what they're looking like 6 hours later. So we're about to go out and go bowling or go to the beach or something. I don't know. Trey's brother's in town, so we want to go do something. And I don't know. Do they look normal? I do some makeup, but it's really just like the bruising, so I need to cover that up. What do you think about my lips, Naya?
That's so cute.
You like them?
It looks so cute.
Do they look little or big?
You look
Do my lips look little or big?
big.
They're big. Okay, so now it's been 2 days. I should have done another update yesterday, but it was similar to this, but way more bruised yesterday, and it still hurt. I woke up and it was like a little bit better than the update before, swelling wise, but it was really bruised, like actually bruises like up around it, not just on the lip like before. But actually, I still have it a little bit. Well, I had this bruise, it's obvious right there, and this bruising right there. But the swelling has gone down a ton. Like, it doesn't hurt today, where it was pretty like, I mean, it hurts a little bit when I do that. But yesterday it hurt, and today it feels better. I feel like the swelling is down a ton, and I like what they look like right now. So I feel like she was right when she said that like a couple days from now. So then when the swelling's down, I'm gonna be like, okay, I need another one. So I mean, we'll see if I'm really gonna do that, because I mean, it's kind of expensive and I don't want to like go crazy just because I like get used to it. But at the same time, I do think that I want to eventually do more in my bottom lip, just because I don't know. Let's see if I'll be able to show this. Right now it looks like my top lip is like sticks out, like is bigger more than my bottom lip, which I don't really want. So I don't want my top lip to be the bigger one. So I'm gonna add some more, probably. I guess I need to see for sure though. My top lip's probably gonna go down more. I think it's still kind of swollen right now. So we'll see, I guess. And maybe I'll just keep doing update videos if they change law or I decide to do more, or else I will be posting like on my Instagram about it. I don't know if I'll do more official YouTube videos about it, but follow me on Instagram if you want to see more about this too on there. Overall, I really recommend going to Joanna The Nurse. She was so sweet, as you can tell probably from the video, that she was just like super personable. I guess we cut out a lot more too of our just like casual conversation and things. Like, she is very nice. Obviously really good at what she does. I mean, my friend drove up all the way from San Diego to go to her, and celebrities and like other YouTubers go to her, like James Charles goes to her, I know Tana goes to her, like a lot of people go to Joanna The Nurse. So she's great and I definitely recommend her. Yeah, I'm pretty happy. I'm happy. So that is what they're looking like now. I feel like they look good. Let me know in the comments if you think I just like, maybe I shouldn't tell you guys that. That'll probably happen anyways. You can comment below if you think I look so stupid. But I think they look really good right now. Well, thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any other questions and I can do another video or answer down below. Subscribe if you haven't already right here. And that's it. Have a great day. Bye.
Every day brings new